Alright, my friends, so it's time for us to understand what does this course exactly cover and how we are gonna take our topics. So the first thing first, I'm gonna assume that you didn't touch a computer before, or even you are interested in the web design field and you want to learn about the basics, where to start, how you are gonna learn, and what you are gonna learn, and so on. So the first thing first, we are gonna understand how does the web works. Then after that, I'm gonna show you, once we understand the web and how it works, then we are gonna understand what is our job out of this. Okay, we are gonna understand what we should do, what we should learn. Okay, after that, I'm gonna show you how to learn the stuff that you have to do. For example, if you have to build files, then I'm gonna show you how to build these files in the most efficient way. So this course is really one of the best resources for anyone who is new to the web design, because it is really detailed and has a lot of great and very simple information. So thank you, my friends, so much for watching. See you in the next one.